Is magnetic declinations used to hide the true shape of the Earth? Taboo Conspiracy.
That's me.
Made 2 videos recently about a claim from a sailor from Switzerland. He claimed that the magnetic declination was used to hide the true shape of the Earth. This is a short part from that video.
0 degree, but on the map of the globe, you have to add 10 degrees. So on the map of the globe, the azimuth of the magnetic north will be approximately like that. Okay? But the magnetic north is not there. Okay? So here is the subterfuge. They're gonna move Moscow here to here.
On Globebuster channels I found that they have looked at it and Karen B have tested that it's true. There are a magnetic declination. So in the comments section to Taboo's latest video I made that comment that this silly statement was debunked by Globebusters. He replied this.
Only in your own mind, which isn't saying much.
And I told him I'm 100% sure that this is bullshit. I work as a naval officer and I know that this is not true. And I did get this reply.
Arctic Reflections. Since you're incapable of figuring it out, I'll explain it to you. There was a bit of information lost due to a language barrier. Hervé was defining magnetic declination as it is used by sailors, i.e., on globe nautical maps and general isogonic charts. His argument was that those isogonic lines on nautical maps where you add and subtract degrees for magnetic declination have been manipulated to hide the globe and are not actually related to the position of the North Star and magnetic north, even though that is how isogonic lines are defined. Isogonic line refers to a line of constant magnetic declination, the variation of magnetic north from geographic north. The flat Earth does not require you to add and subtract degrees as indicated on nautical maps to get from one point to another, even though there is an azimuth variation between magnetic north and the North Star. Of course, that won't clear it up for a globe zealot, but at least the honest truth seeker can figure it out.
So I replied and told him that on a ship you have both magnetic compasses and Euro compasses. The Euro compass points always to north, so it's very easy to see that magnetic declination is a real thing and it's nothing to do with hiding the true shape of the Earth. I also tried to tell him that on a ship you would notice if the declination was not true. Because if the map was faked based on the distances on the map was faked, you would notice it when it took more time to get to a certain place or it get faster to a certain place. And also they have to fake how the Euro compass works. They need to have some type of compensation in the Euro compass that did know where on Earth it was. But it's now no electronic things in the Euro compass for compensating, for where they are on Earth to make this to be true. So Taboo didn't like this.
Arctic Reflections. Still didn't get it, and I don't care to explain it anymore to you willful morons.
That magnetic declination is true is very easy to see, and in the example the sailor did give before, that Moscow isn't in the location you see on the maps. That's so silly. If you traveling by car from one place to Moscow, you could check it on a map that the distances are correct. But in the flat earth mania world, they believe every bullshit presented for them as long as a flat earth proof. This is so damn silly. Please note, I used text to speech, so the words from Taboo is what he did write in the comments. I haven't changed anything from what he was writing to me as replies. Once again, I want to thank you all helping me helping Ukraine. If you want to help, please use PayPal, so YouTube don't take a share of the money. I hope you liked this video. It was a short one. It's a bit a new style I'm trying out. I think it's a nice way to present stupid comments from the comment field into YouTube videos and so on. I will be back soon, perhaps to I hope you liked this video. It was quite a new style, a nice way to use silly comments in videos, so you don't have to read the text and so on. I will be back soon. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye.